Ever wondered how to get millions of views on your YouTube videos in just 2 to 3 days? In the digital world, this phenomenon is often referred to as going viral. It's like a contagious bug that spreads rapidly, but in this case, it's not an illness, it's your content. When a piece of content becomes viral, it's shared, viewed, and discussed by millions across the globe, often in a blink. Virality is a potent tool in the realm of digital content creation. It's like a wildfire igniting rapidly and spreading across the digital forest of the internet, reaching corners you wouldn't have imagined. It's a way to break through the noise, to stand out in the overcrowded world of content. Now you might be asking, why is virality important? Well, let's break it down. Firstly, it leads to increased visibility. The more people view and share your content, the more exposure you get. It's like standing on a digital stage with millions of eyes on you. Secondly, it fuels audience growth. Each person who views and shares your content is a potential new subscriber or follower. They are potential members of your community, eager to see what you'll share next. Lastly, it's about potential revenue. In today's digital age, views equate to value. Every view, every share, every like can translate into potential earnings. Advertisers are always looking for content that has a wide reach, and viral content is a prime candidate. But remember, while virality can bring about rapid growth and success, it's not a guaranteed ticket to fame. It requires careful planning, strategic execution, and a good dose of luck. So, is virality a lottery ticket, a magic wand, or a well-calculated strategy? Perhaps it's a mix of all three. Now that you understand the potential power of viral content, let's dive into how to create it. The first step in garnering millions of views in a short time is creating content that captivates. How do we do that, you might ask? It all starts by understanding your audience. Dive deep into their interests, their passions, their needs. What makes them tick? What sparks their curiosity? What keeps them up at night? Find that sweet spot where your audience's interests align with your expertise or passion, and you've got the foundation for captivating content. But understanding your audience is just the beginning. To truly captivate, your content must also be of high quality. This doesn't necessarily mean you need to invest in the most expensive equipment. High quality is about clear audio and visuals, sure, but it's also about clarity of message, about precision and conciseness in your storytelling. It's about making your audience feel something, whether that's intrigued, enlightened, or just plain entertained. And speaking of storytelling, let's not overlook its power. Engaging storytelling is key to crafting content that not only draws people in, but also keeps them watching. Weave a narrative that is compelling and relatable. A story that your audience can see themselves in. A story that leaves them wanting more. Finally, to stand out in the sea of content that is the internet today, your ideas must be unique. Sure, you can draw inspiration from others, but always strive to put your own spin on things. Give your audience something they haven't seen before, something that only you can offer. Remember, creating captivating content is not about following a formula. It's about innovation, about pushing boundaries, about daring to be different. It's about pouring your heart and soul into what you create because you believe in it, and you believe in the value it brings to your audience. So, take the time to understand your audience, invest in high-quality production, master the art of storytelling, and dare to be unique. Do these, and you're well on your way to crafting the perfect content. Remember, your content is the cornerstone of your viral video success. Next, we harness the power of social media to spread your content far and wide. Now, let's dive into the world of social media, where the key to virality lies in strategic sharing. It's not about blasting your content to every platform. It's about choosing the right platforms that resonate with your content, your style, and most importantly, your target audience. Engagement is another crucial aspect. It's not enough to just post and forget. Engage with your audience, respond to their comments, appreciate their shares, and encourage discussions. This interaction not only boosts your visibility, but also builds a community that loves and supports your content. Incorporate the use of hashtags. These nifty little symbols are not just trendy, they can skyrocket your visibility. Use relevant, popular hashtags and don't shy away from creating your own. Remember, it's all about being creative and standing out. By effectively using social media, you can dramatically increase your video's reach. Now, let's focus on optimizing your video for search engines. Think of SEO as the secret handshake that gets you into the exclusive club of discoverability. It's all about keywords, tags, and descriptions. Keywords are like puzzle pieces that help search engines understand what your video is about. Your job is to figure out what puzzle pieces your audience is looking for, and then use those in your video title and description. Tags are like the breadcrumbs that lead the way to your content. They help search engines categorize your video and present it to the right audience. Descriptions are your chance to tell both the search engines and your audience what your video is about in a more detailed way. This is where you can use those research keywords to really drive home the relevancy of your video. Remember, the more accessible and understandable your content is to search engines, the better the chances it has of getting discovered. SEO optimization is key to getting your video in front of more eyes. Finally, remember that engagement is a marathon, not a sprint. It's all about creating a strong bond with your viewership. You see, consistency is key in this game. It's not just about popping up with one viral video and then disappearing into the ether. No, it's about creating a steady stream of engaging, high-quality content that keeps your audience coming back for more. Think of it like a TV series. Each episode leaves the viewer wanting more, anticipating the next installment. That's what you're aiming for. You want to become a habit, a regular part of your audience's routine. This means posting regularly, responding to comments, and being present. And remember, every interaction is an opportunity to deepen your relationship with your audience. But it's not just about quantity. Quality should never be sacrificed. Each piece of content should be thoughtfully crafted, as each one represents you and your brand. With consistent engagement, your audience will continue to grow, and so will your views.